Once upon a time in a little town there lived a curious boy named Milo. Milo loved to build things. He built tall towers with blocks, cozy forts with pillows, and even castles out of sand. But there was one thing Milo hadn't quite figured out yet: how to make his towers stand strong. One sunny morning, Milo decided he would build the tallest tower he had ever built before. He grabbed all his colorful blocks and got right to work. Up, up, up the tower went, higher and higher. But as Milo placed the very last block on top, the tower wobbled. "Oh no," Milo gasped, watching the whole tower crash to the ground. He thought, scratching his head. Maybe I should try again. So Milo rebuilt the tower, this time even more carefully. But again, just as he was about to finish, the tower began to sway. And crash, down it came. Milo felt a little sad. Why can't I get it right? He wondered aloud. Just then, his older sister Lily came by. "What's wrong, Milo?" she asked. "I keep building this tower, but it keeps falling down," Milo replied. Lily smiled. "Well, have you tried building a stronger base? A wobbly tower needs something strong at the bottom to hold it up." Milo thought about that. He hadn't paid much attention to the bottom of his tower. He had been too excited about making it tall. "Let me try again," Milo said, feeling hopeful. This time, Milo started by building a wide, solid base with his blocks, making sure the bottom was sturdy. Slowly, he added more and more blocks, making sure each layer was balanced. Finally, he placed the very last block on top. And guess what? The tower didn't wobble at all. It stood tall and proud, just like Milo had imagined. "I did it!" Milo cheered, jumping up and down. Lily smiled and gave him a high five. "See? Sometimes it just takes a little trial and error." Milo learned that day that making mistakes was okay. Every time his tower fell, he learned something new. And with each new try, he got a little bit better. From that day on, whenever something didn't work the first time, Milo remembered to keep trying, because every mistake was just another step toward getting it right. And as for his tower, it stood tall in his room for days, a reminder of how patience, practice, and a little help from Lily helped him build something great. The end.